you're watching Luisa Bakes, and today we're baking vegan brownies. This recipe combines all the good properties of regular brownies, like the rich taste of chocolate or the fudginess that everybody loves about brownies. And the best of all, it's cruelty-free because it's vegan. So let's begin. In a large mixing bowl, we're gonna add flour, cocoa powder, and sugar. Now gently whisk it to mix. Then we add melted vegan butter or vegetable oil, vanilla extract, melted chocolate, almond milk, and coffee, which is gonna enhance the chocolate flavor. No worries, your brownies are not gonna taste like coffee. Now let's start mixing it, and keep doing this till you're getting a smooth and even batter. At this point, we're gonna add the chocolate chips and give it a final mix. Now let's pour the batter into a prep tin and smooth it out to make sure everything is pretty leveled. If you want to, you can drizzle some chopped walnuts on top to give it an extra crunch. And I also added some more chocolate chips to make it look even nicer. And into the oven it goes for about 25 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. After letting it cool down for a few minutes, you can cut them in whatever size you like and enjoy. So are you hungry for brownies now? I hope so. This is a really easy recipe, so try it out. Hello! Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And leave a comment down below if you want me to make more vegan recipes. I'll see you guys next week. And remember, baking is happiness. Goodbye! Hello! I hope you liked this video. And I'll see you next week.